Hello guys, let's take a look at this cable clamp set that will help you organize your cables. Costs around 200 rupees or around $4. For that you get 4 clamps with a nice latch mechanism, and those are the ways you can organize. Let's get into the packaging. As you can see, you get 3 small ones and a big clamp. Again, they are not that beautifully designed, but still they do the work. As you can see, you pull the latch back and remove the handle like that, and insert the cable inside. Once it's in, you just push it back, and it should hold your cable nicely and organized. There are many other brilliant designs out there, but still this is not bad. Again, just pull the latch back to open it, and you get the cable out. And the bigger clamp helps organize even bigger cables like the power cord and other stuff. Again, it's quite easy to use. They could have done without the bulge at the handle end, and made it quite compact. This is the bigger one. It will help you organize bigger cables, but you only get one of them. You really have to be careful while opening the latch. If you use too much force, you will end up breaking the button. As you can see, still quite nice. Check it out.